The next volt stick we have is the volt stick sound. The volt stick sound is also designed for electricians and engineers working on 230 volt circuits. It doesn't just have a visual indication, it will also make a sound when it detects a voltage. And that's why we call it the volt stick sound. Having the audible indication makes it useful if you're working in conditions or areas that might make it difficult for you to see the tip light up. For example, in very bright conditions, or if you're testing out of sight, perhaps behind a cupboard. This is also why the tester is bright green, to make it easier to find if you drop it behind that cupboard. The volt stick sound also has CE, UKCA and UL certification.